Ladies and gentlemen, we have just turned off the seatbelt sign, but please remain seated. In just a few moments, we'll be coming out with beverage service, but before we do, can passenger Holly Trousbeck please raise her hand, and she's sitting in row 22. Everyone please say hi to Holly.
Hi, Holly.
For those of you who don't know Holly, she's a 25-year-old paramedic, currently working in Baltimore Area Hospital. She's about 5'2", gorgeous blue eyes. Her hair color is dark brown. There's no guarantees that it'll still be that color in a month or even a week, because she changes it so frequently. Holly's had a rough past year, is expecting a well-deserved and anticipated vacation. She is not expected, however, to be embarrassed by her boyfriend. How's that working out for you, Holly? As many of you have probably figured out, I know a great deal about Holly. My name is Charlie. Holly and I have been together for 5 years. We've been shared countless laughs and have had some great adventures. That amazing girl means the world to me, and I don't know where I'd be without her. A couple of months ago, I was in an accident, and I was very fortunate to walk away from. Many people around the firehouse have said, live every day as if it's your last, which I think is ridiculous because the laundry would never get done. However, I did realize that tomorrow is never guaranteed, and I want nothing more than to spend every today and tomorrow with Holly. Everyone has a reason to go to Vegas. Some are here for business, most for pleasure, some for a very special reason of their own. Though Holly maybe thinks she's simply on vacation, she's actually going to be celebrating the beginning of the rest of our lives together. Holly, with all these awesome people as my witness, and all my family around, I have something very important to ask you, something I should have asked you a very long time ago.
Let's all here for Charlie and Holly.
Thank you so much.
You sure?
Congratulations! Yes, I did! Oh my god! I recorded the whole thing. Oh my god!